Universal Hydrogen successfully completed a test flight of its hydrogen-powered aircraft nicknamed Lightning McLean in Moses Lake, Washington. The aircraft, an adapted ATR-72, flew primarily using a hydrogen-powered engine, while a conventional engine provided backup. This flight marked a significant step towards commercializing hydrogen-powered regional airliners by 2025. Another major player, ZeroAvia, is working on hydrogen electric propulsion systems. They are developing a range of aircraft from small 19-seaters to larger regional airliners. ZeroAvia's technology uses compressed hydrogen gas to generate electricity via fuel cells, aiming to have commercially viable aircraft